Dearly beloved, you have come together in this house of worship, so that in the presence of the church's minister, your intention to enter into marriage may be proclaimed.
Well, you looked me in the eyes and you said it.
Sarah and Owen, today you have tied for number one proudest moment of my life. Rosemary and I are the proudest couple on earth. Thank you both for sharing your love with us.
Will I know where to find you?
I have known Sarah since I was 5 years old. She has always had this ravenous need to learn and experience new things. She's always getting me out of the house to go on some new adventure of some kind.
What I started. And if you lose your
She can identify the difference between a toad and a frog just by the sound. Truly a multifaceted woman.
follow the light, come back home.
I've had the pleasure of knowing Owen probably since kindergarten, but it was in the second grade that we truly began our friendship.
Come back home.
It originally started through our love of Simpsons and Legos. Luckily, over the years, our tastes have grown, and we definitely don't text each other daily Simpsons memes and Lego sods.
Owen Morris, doctor, father to Finnegan and numerous fish and shrimp, foodie extraordinaire, an organizational wizard, and an excellent judge of character.
And with open arms, you're welcome, please.
Owen has had more divine interventions at key points in his life than most people.
Shadows as you welcome.
He met Sarah on a dating site for medical professionals. What Sarah might not have known at that time was that she herself was the means of another divine intervention in Owen's life.
The light, come back home. In the dark.
Owen, and Sarah, may the Lord bless you and protect you. May your family stand beside you, and may you stand beside your family and friends. Congratulations.
Dark of the night.
The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Owen, kiss your bride.
Sarah and Owen, may the love and devotion you share today only grow deeper and richer in the coming years.
Your lives are very special to us. God has touched you in many ways. May His blessings rest upon you and fill all your coming days. God bless.
Raise a glass to freedom, something you will never see again. To Owen and Sarah.